Trying to convince me, you know, call the cops can just let her go to sleep so we can't get in the way past. Huh?
Any help with that lady?
Oh, she found her?
She is in the employee area naked, screaming that somebody killed somebody.
She's in the employee area.
Sir, stay here.
What happened?
What's up? Cause she threw that glass. Yeah.
Stairs.
I appreciate you. Thank you.
Are you okay, man? No! Sheriff's office. No! Put your hands behind your back. Stay up. Hold on, get on this. Now you get yourself a felony. You're under arrest.
Fabulous.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Like, I should be drinking.
So make sure you charge her. Battery and LEO. Get up. Get up.
You're ridiculous.
Get up. What's the quickest way out of here? To the front.
Why are you so difficult right now? Like, literally, I'm a girl.
You fight me more, I'm gonna take you to the ground.
I'm not fighting, but
You just punched me, so.
I haven't done shit, but my asshole is like in front of everybody. Like, I get it, like, it's lovely.
Keep walking.
You just
Don't pull this bullshit.
Relax.
Sir, you just said,
Is there stairs? No, that's fine. I get it.
Sir, you just said, so I said,
You know how long she been like this?
Stop.
I didn't know that was time. No, I'm just saying.
Ain't no service.
Did you guys see cops walking through here? Did you see police walking through here?
Hey, sir.
You got no first charges? Did she get you? For her pushing you?
You know her name?
It was in me, it was not here. I highly doubt it. He's a free. Hey,
Come here.
I didn't hurt anybody. You're just like pulling my hair.
It's to the front of the.
Cool.
7115 to 7215. What's your location?
7215, one in custody.
Okay.
I'm not gonna keep doing
Stop.
this.
Stop. 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 Stop.
What? What
Listen,
did I do? What did I do to piss you off?
Well, you punched us and you're breaking stuff.
Who? Who did I piss off?
You just assaulted a law enforcement officer.
Who?
Get in the car. Get in.
No!
Get in.
Get
in! And then? Grab her. I'm gonna hobble her. We're gonna pull her legs in. Just stay right there. Give me your leg. Hold her up. Just hold her. Make sure she doesn't fall.
Step on you. Call to Florida.
Alright, put her on the ground really quick. Put her on the ground.
You bite me, I'm gonna hit you in the face.
About you and your body and face, you
Get it together.
You get it together, you bitch!
Okay.
Alright, let me go on that side. Let me go on that side.
I got it.
Hey, watch your dress. Pull it down. Alright, legs first.
Get it?
Legs first.
Here you go.
Yep.
Go.
You're gonna regret this.
7118 key up.
It's in there. It's in the car. Look. Hey, you awake?
You.
You're awake?
You.
All right. Perfect. Thank you. Hey, straight to the jail.
This is very brave.
Where's the boyfriend at?
He
ran away.
We told him.
117.
Did he do anything or no?
Not really, no.
37117.
You will die.
Yeah, give me. Well, he's not in trouble, so.
No, he's not.
Can you send that to me?
Yeah.
Yeah, airdrop.
Yeah.
So I was at the bar.
What is it?
Thank you. Just a bunch of stuff.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, he wasn't even near her when
So
he had
we didn't. Nobody has said that you're involved in
No,
this.
I can't say what happened.
Hey, you be quiet.
They were all sitting here in the circular big, so there's probably about 20 people here.
Okay.
Yeah, I got one. She's kind of resistant, so we might have to pull her out the car.
Okay, stand by.
All right.
Out there right now, come get you.
All right. You're right. All right. Yeah, you gonna start screaming again? Yeah.
She got wild. They came and told her to shut up. She wouldn't shut up. She threw her glass. She went downstairs, and nobody saw her after that. And then you guys came down.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah, she does. You go.
What?
Come on. Come outside.
What's that mean?
Come here.
English?
All right. I'm pulling this a little bit.
English, por favor. English.
Come here.
English, por favor.
She was okay until a point, and then she was very quickly hit a point. And then
But would anybody want to press charges for the?
nope. She's having a tough enough night.
For the guy, that's all. I feel for the guy, that's it.
A good guy, man.
We're not press charges, but we do want to set a trespassing warrant.
Yeah, they're good people.
So you don't want to press charge?
But she's now not back at the property.
Okay.
Do you have any medical problems?
Hey, no, with
Do you have any medical problems?
With what?
Do you have any medical problems?
With what?
Do you have any medical issues
Ma'am,
or problems?
you're just-
What?
You're just prolonging the amount of time you have to spend in jail.
With what?
Prolonging the amount of time you have to spend in jail.
With what? With what?
She had that already.
With what?
We went down and talked to her.
With what?
Do you have medical issues, ma'am?
With what?
Do you take any medications?
What? With what?
What medications do you take?
With what?
In your body,
With what?
your mouth.
With what?
She had it.
With what?
She's
With what?
saying she has lots of medical problems.
what? Oh, mother, see it all right. With what? With what? With what? With what?
you good.
Wait, the what? Wait, the what? You love your job.
I saw the video of you and she was pushing you and stuff. Yes. You want to press charges on her? No.
I was just trying to prevent her from leaving, hurting herself further.
Send the line to him right to Mariners for medical clearance.
It's not gonna work for you. It's not gonna work for you.
Oh, Jesus Christ. You're gonna fall. Alright.
Oh, shut up. It's not that funny. It's not
I'm
funny.
not laughing.
It's
I'm trying to help
funny.
you come out the car.
Take me out. Ow. Ow! It's not supposed to be that funny.
I'm not laughing.
Me out and I'll get
Okay,
her.
but you have to put your other foot.
I'm done.
Okay.
I'm done.
Okay, get up. Can you get up?
Am I able to pick her up? Or was
She's getting some serious felony charges. So I don't know. She's getting battery and LEO. She's getting resisting with violence. Those are both third-degree felonies.
she's on felony probation?
Oh shit! Oh, she's like, let her go. Move on.
Yeah. You want smoke?
Yeah.
Let me get some gloves.
Yeah. Can you get up? The nurses are coming to grab you.
All right. Come on.